Executive Summary. Our company is a commercial transport manufacturer, and we are an international based company which has set our base in Kuching, Sarawak. With the board decision to create a new product by the year 2023, a research has been issued in order to survey the best method for manufacturing planning and control practices for this new product. While taking into mind the ever-increasing challenging business environment and keeping up the challenge with competitors, we have selected Toyota Corporation Limited as our focus. In this report, the best forecasting, resource planning, capacity planning, operation scheduling, and inventory planning will be chosen from the many methods that Toyota Motor Corporation Limited have introduced and will be adopted and implemented by our company. Introduction. The Toyota Motor Corporation Limited, which was originally known as Toyota Automatic Loom Works, was first established in the year 1937 by Kiichiro Toyoda. Toyota started using Toyota Production System, short form TPS, in the 1970s, which was introduced by a fellow machinist named Taichi Odo, and took 15 years to perfect the system. It is an integrated socio-technical system developed by Toyota to effectively organize manufacturing and logistics, including interactions with the suppliers and customers, to minimize cost and waste. Toyota's vehicles were sold in more than 170 countries and regions. Toyota was the world's first automobile manufacturer to produce more than 10 million vehicles per year, which it has done since 2012. When it is also reported the production of its 20th millionth vehicle. It leads the automobile industry in environmental technologies with the success of the hybrid cars such as Prius and hybrid Camry, with over 6 million units sold worldwide. This makes them one of the largest companies to encourage mass market adoption of hybrid vehicles. Toyota Motor Corporation produces vehicles under 5 brands, including Toyota brand, Hino, Lexus, Rans, Daihatsu, and lately having about 20% shares of Tesla, which was later sold due to both parties having competition with each other. Aside from cars and motorcycles, Toyota also manufactures commercial vehicles, which is the focus of this report.
Forecasting. The TPS can be highly efficient if the forecasting demand and planning production are made accurate. However, making an accurate forecasting demand and planning production are challenging in this rapid growing market that introduces various new models without historical sales data. A study done by Lee, Pelek and Wang states that Toyota communicates with their dealers beforehand regarding monthly forecasts to ease preparation for their orders. The forecast is made by the sales division and created in rolling 3 months order each month based on the parts order submitted by the dealers to Toyota. The large deviation are adjusted monthly to tally with its weekly orders. From 2014 to 2016, the vehicle sales decreased. The TPS aids in the forecasting that leads to a greater amount of profit to expense ratio.
Resources planning is a process of allocating tasks to human or non-human resources in a way that could maximize the efficiency of the resources. The Toyota company had chosen Odoo software as to plan their resource planning. Odoo can leverage its modularity and collaborative development approach by grouping and configuring the most suitable modules and customize the system. Odoo Customer Relationship Management (CRM) system can manage a company interaction with current and potential customers. It uses data analysis about customers' history with a company to improve business relationship with customers, specifically focusing on customer retention and ultimately driving sales growth. Toyota company used Odoo to build a path for every process and gain visibility at every stage in a specific timeline. It can prioritize tasks and easily check the outcome online so as to eliminate miscommunications among colleagues. Moreover, the sales management feature allows the company to manage and classify sales orders into a structured and hierarchical system. Confirmation of an order can automatically trigger delivery of goods and invoicing. Toyota Material Handling could focus on customizing the ERP's platform for their businesses' unique features by using Odoo. They could integrate Odoo with their legacy system to reduce the learning curve for employees. The Odoo software gives the ability to intelligently and efficiently manage leads, opportunities, tasks, bugs, and claims. Moreover, it has the warehouse management features, which support the management of multiple warehouses and structural stock locations. Odoo allows managed manufacturing operation with multi-level BOM, routings, and work centers. The Toyota company can track work orders and also supports several planning methods like make to stock and make to order.
Toyota use company planning for the company to properly plan the capacity in terms of supply and demand of the customer. Toyota use just-in-time or lean manufacturing is to have the supplies a firm need at the exact moment that they are needed. So basically when there's demand, then the Toyota will start manufacture the car. But if there is no demand, the Toyota will not produce the car. By doing this, it will conserve the material instead of going waste. They will also save time for production, and also they will save a lot of money. So the capacity planning operates in 3 planning cycle, which is monthly planning, weekly cycle, and lastly daily cycle. For the monthly planning, the sales team will conduct market and order planning in 1 month advance of production to determine overall production for the coming month. For weekly cycle, the sales division prepare an estimated delivery planning after adjusting between monthly plan and weekly order placed with Toyota by the leaders. And lastly, daily cycles. Order specification can be changed by the dealer 3 days prior to production, however only within the engine type such as the color. The number of vehicle remain unchanged. Thank you.
Take 7.
Moving forward to operation scheduling. Toyota uses a technique called Heijunka. Heijunka is a technique to avoid supply chain congestion, workload imbalance, and inventory batching. For the performance measures for scheduling processes, an average of 20 days is required from the time order is placed to reach the end customer. 15 days is the order lead time from Toyota to the dealers, and about 10 days of it are because of production and delivery. The remaining days are for the legal paperwork and loan analysis.
Toyota started using Toyota Production System (TPS) in 1970 and took 15 years to perfect the system. It is an integrated socio-technical system developed by Toyota to efficiently organize manufacturing and logistics, including interaction with suppliers and customers to minimize cost and waste. The philosophy is to work intelligently and eliminate waste so that only minimal inventory is needed. Kanban, a technical for work and inventory release. It is a way to manage material flow on the assembly line. Over the past 3 decades, the Kanban process has become a widely used tool in the manufacturing environment and global competition. The essence of Kanban concept is that the supplier, warehouse, or manufacturer deliver components only when they are needed so that there is no excess inventory. Workstations located along production lines only produce or deliver desired components when they receive a cut and an empty container, which indicates that more parts are needed in production. This will increase cash flow and reduce physical space needs, makes it easier to deliver required results smoothly through internal process to the end customer. After implementation of TPS, machines does not remain idle so as the place resources utilization is maximum. It means that loss of resource of man-machine utilization is almost 0% because of no material condition. This system is also known as lean manufacturing or just-in-time manufacturing, JIT. There are several advantages using this system. It provides quick and precise information, provides quick response to changes, avoids overproduction, minimizes waste, maintains full control and delegates responsibility to line workers. Although this type of inventory management provides many benefits, it relies heavily on factors such as a strong, fast, and efficient network of suppliers.
Lastly, conclusion. The best method manufacturing planning and control practices for this new product have been surveyed from the Toyota Corporation Limited. In forecasting, we can use TPS as our forecasting method, while for resource planning, we can maximize and done it effectively and efficiently by using Odoo software. For capacity planning, the use of both internal plant capacity (IPC) and supplier capacity review (CS) (SC) can be implemented. And lastly, lean manufacturing or just-in-time manufacturing can be adopted in accordance to the reliable suppliers, which will reduce holding costs of the company. Thank you very much.
So that's all from us. Thank you.